What's up guys? Today I'm gonna be talking about how you can be successful in 2020. Let's go! So many people, including myself, my family, my friends, and I'm sure you and most of your family and friends as well have really suffered during this time from April till now. Even further, unemployment rates have been skyrocketing. Furlough has been trying to help some people out. Same thing with unemployment people are receiving that extra $600 a week. Well, let me tell you that the federal stimulus check number 2 round 2 for the Zach care is going to be headed your way, so if you didn't already see. But for now, we're gonna get right into it on how you can be successful in 2020 with everything going on and how we can move all forward from going with this. The first step at becoming successful in 2020 after all of this happened is to realize whether or not you have an emergency fund. Now, people like Warren Buffett claim that an emergency fund is necessary, but really, I truly believe that it is, and so many other people believe as well, because these times are wildly and unexpected. We have no idea what tomorrow is going to hold for us, and these are the reasons why you should have an emergency or rainy day fund. How you can actually contribute a rainy day fund is take 10% of your income and put it into a high yield saving account. That's it. This tip number 2. If you are part of people who are unemployment right now or not making any income through these various besides, what you're getting from unemployment is you have to open your eyes and realize that one income stream is not going to do it. You need to have more than one income stream. That could be interest from a saving account, and that could be starting from your own side hustle. Be sure that it is online. Having online presence in 2020 is vital for you. It's so easy to make money online, whether it be trading or social media or doing blogging, Amazon FBA, it could be a Shopify. If you're talented, there is so many opportunities for you to make money online. If you're not doing that, better be prepared in 2021 because that's all real where we are headed up to the internet and selling. So that eventually everyone could probably work from home because self-checkout is more prevalent in grocery stores. These jobs are getting taken away, so it's up to you to find a side hustle online to actually help prepare us for the future and for you to be successful in 2020. Lastly, we have step number 3 on how to be successful in 2020, and that is going to be the most recent video I did is reading or listening to the audiobooks or listening to the podcast or even educational YouTube video like this one. What is going to happen is going to want to learn more about yourself, self-improvement, and more about different educational topics that will help you and accelerate you and whatever field you want to go. If you want to learn more about investing, start reading investing books instead of watching your favorite TV series every single night and start binge watching. Take an hour and a half, maybe even 30 minutes to get started. Because most millionaires read books, and why you should too. There are just so many benefits, and it's really awesome when you're able to read from these people who already have been successful themselves and they're sharing you their life story in their tips for you to use. Go do it, read books. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment below.